Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be coloring my hair. I'll show you guys how my hair is in a couple of seconds, but before we jump into all that good stuff, I'm going to show you guys all the products that I've been using because a lot of people have been asking me how did I get my hair from like black, natural black to like the red color that I had, burgundy red. So these are the products that I used. I have my developer. This is the 30 volume. It is a cream peroxide. I'm not using any type of bleach in my hair. This is a little bit more less harmful to the hair. I haven't had any damage since I've been using this. Of course you want to be careful in the volume that you're using. Like I said, I'm using 30. And then the color brand that I go in with is Igora. And this brand so far, this is the only brand that I use when I'm trying to go like to that red color. And it is the L89. We used to mix it with another color. L88, so you can bounce between L89 and L88, but today we're going straight in with the L89.
L89, yeah. You want like that red violet color, the L88 you want like just super vibrant red.
Yeah, so, okay. The lighting is a little garbage in here, but this is my, oh there we go. So this is my hair, this is my color. It's like it's literally like a deep purple. I don't know why on camera it's looking bright, but we're about to brighten this up. But this is my hair, and we're about to start because my hair is longer than hers.
Now, because I cut it off.
You look like a like sideshow ball. But yeah, so we're about to begin and show you guys the process. Let's go. Okay, so to start off, make sure you have an old t-shirt because yeah, things are gonna get messy. Things can get messy. Okay, so I have my developer using volume 30. I have my hair color, I have my mixing container, I also have 2 brushes to apply the product to my hair, and then I have some pair of gloves. So with my hair, I use about a 1.5 tubes. So again, it depends on how much hair that you have. I would recommend that you don't go crazy and pour too much because then you'll be just left with the color and it'll just go to waste. You can't store this color. Yeah, so we just start by emptying the container. Keisha, I believe, uses 1 tube because her hair is shorter, and then we kind of just eyeball how much volume we need. Highly recommend that you go easy with this. You don't want to overdo it. You just want it to balance out, so it should be the same amount of color to volume. Okay, so I am applying the product to cleansed hair. I did wash my hair before because you want to make sure that when you're applying this product, your hair is clean. You don't want to be applying it on top of any like oiled or product that's already in your hair because the color won't stick to your hair. So make sure you wash your hair before. After that, I did blow dry my hair just so that my hair was dry, obviously, because again, you're applying color to your hair and you want it to really get onto the hair. I am going to be working in sections just because it is easier to apply the product. As you guys can see, my hair is thick when it's blow dried, and I want to make sure that I'm getting as much, well, every piece of strand that I can. A few tips to keep in mind: if you do have any type of scalp irritation or eczema like I do with myself, please make sure that you do not irritate your scalp before applying this product to your hair. I'm telling you guys this because this happened to me the very first time that I colored my hair. I have eczema on the back of my neck, and I scratched it and I applied this product and it did burn for a few minutes. So please, if you have eczema or any type of irritation to your scalp and you know you're about to color your scalp like 2 days before or a day, try not to irritate your scalp. Even when I was washing my hair, I made sure I didn't like use my nails to scratch my scalp. I just gave like a gentle wash. So please keep that in mind. And yeah, we just basically started by applying the product to my roots because that's my new growth. That's the black, my natural color. So I got all my roots, and then after that, I just began to apply the product straight to my ends. So from experience, one time I did put Vaseline around my hairline. I highly recommend that you don't do that because again, the hair color won't stick to that. So if you're ever thinking, okay, I'm gonna apply some Vaseline to my hairline, you'll have problems. And please just make sure that, again, you do have on an old t-shirt because this does kind of stain. And I also had a black garbage bag on the floor because sometimes little drops would fall, and this does stain. Trust me, it stains. So really simple. After I applied all the color to my hair, I just had it sit for about 30 minutes. So the longer you keep the color on, the more bright your hair will be. And this again is based on experience from Keisha and myself. This time when I colored my hair, it was actually a little brighter than the last time I did it. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you are timing it as well. And after that, you're just gonna rinse it out. So I just rinsed it out using like a red shampoo, conditioner, and I also did deep condition my hair because again, when it comes to coloring my hair, I want to make sure that I'm getting no type of damage. So I washed it out, rinsed it out really good, and then I just went in with a deep conditioner, and then I just styled my hair as per usual. So very simple, really quick and straight to the point. If you guys want to see how I maintain and treat my hair and all that stuff, let me know down below because treatment is really important when you're coloring your hair. This was the final product. Absolutely love it. When it's outside in the sun, it's so pretty, it's so bright. I love it. If you guys do try this out, let me know. I've already shared this tip with some of you guys on my Snapchat, and some of you guys have sent me back your result. So if you do try this out, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will answer them. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.